Bhumirapo Nalo Vayu Khammana. The five great elements: space, air, fire, water, earth. These are the five great elements with which all names and forms are made. Whether it is a plant or animal or human, even you is a combination of these five great elements. They are the fundamentals. Even modern physics and chemistry also accepts that ultimately the elements that are existing and the rest is all their various combinations in various proportions. The fundamental elements that constitute the entire infinite varieties of names and forms are five in number. They manifest with this, and there is a body, and when you die, all these elements go back to the main element. Thus when a dead body is lying down on the roadside, see, it starts bloating up in 2-3 days' time, and thereafterwards when you walk along the road, you show terrible respect towards it by closing the nose. Why? Stinking smell. The gaseous gas in it is all coming out. After a day you find all water contents in it coming out. Any organic thing, when it is decaying, it gives out a thermal heat. Whether it is leaves rotting or a body rotting, a lot of heat is emitted. The fire aspect is also. After 2-3 years you find the skeleton lying down, and that skeleton in sun and rain and winter and snow slowly crumbles, collapses and become one with the earth. But Swamiji, where is space there? Ayya. You please die, so that your space will be available for us to live. Without space nothing can exist. Thus every individual is, every name and form in this universe is constituted of the five fundamental elements: Bhumirapo, Analo, Vayuhu, Kham, Mano, Kham, five. Mana, mind. Buddhi, intellect. So 5 plus 2. The 5 represents the body and all the objects of the world outside, which has got name and form. The mind and the intellect. 5 plus 2, 7. Ahankar, the individual sense of agency. I am the seeing, I am feeling, I am thinking. Iti does. Iyam, these together. Ashtadha, my 8, Prakriti, nature. He himself has become, these constitute my Prakriti, my nature, my lower nature. 8 factors. Do you remember it? 5 great elements plus Ahankar, ego. All the 5 great elements that constitute the form, and in it is the mind, intellect and ego. Ego, the individuality, the sense of individuality. I identify with these 5 great elements, mind and intellect, and become perceiver I, feeler I, thinker I. I, the experiencer, who experiences with my BMI in the world of OET. That individuality. All these 8 are aspects of me, the 8-fold lower nature in me.